Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're just tuning in. I have not made a video in a couple of months. I'm so sorry. I actually have quite a few items to share. Today I'm just going to do what I got for Valentine's Day, and then I'm going to go back and film what I get for Christmas, and also a couple of Dior beauty hauls. It has just been so crazy busy here. I've talked previously on my channel a little bit about how I'm a caregiver for my mom who has Alzheimer's, but she fell and broke her hip and ended up in rehab. And then we had all these problems in her new condo, and the saga continues. She's still at the rehab because she can't come back because of the maintenance issues. So anyway, none of that is important to what I got for Valentine's Day, but I'm just kind of explaining that I've been dealing with all of these things and just haven't been able to focus on making videos on this channel, unfortunately. I also have a pet who is a content creator. He has hundreds of thousands of followers. He's also an animal actor and model, and he did just film kind of an exciting he did a job, very exciting job, related to March Madness, which is coming up. So anyway, so there's just been a lot going on, and anyway, but my true love is accessories and, you know, jewelry and shoes and handbags, and unfortunately all these other things have taken me away from that. But I have 3 items to share and or unbox. This item is not, I've already unboxed this. This item is a true unboxing. This item is not exactly an unboxing, but I did take it out to check it. And then I wanted to just share something, one of my favorite Valentine's items of all time. So maybe I'll do that first, and then I'll get on with these. So a number of years ago, and it could be at least 10 years ago, maybe more, I gave my mom this beautiful item from Baccarat for Valentine's Day, and she loved it and she used to wear it. And then a few years ago, she gave it back to me and said that, oh, I go more places and I should wear it. And it's true, she really doesn't wear jewelry anymore. But I just wanted to share this because I just think it's so pretty, and I take it out every Valentine's Day and wear it, and I love it. It's, as you can see, it's this beautiful crystal heart, and then it's got like a rope necklace, and it's a dark ruby red. So it's just one of my favorite things, and I just thought that I would share it. I don't know if Baccarat makes them anymore. I remember at the time I bought it at the Baccarat counter in Bloomingdale's in New York City, and I remember they had a few different variations of it, but I have never seen them since, so I don't know. Anyway, just a fun little thing. Then this is obviously a box of candy. It comes in this red velvet, heart-shaped box, and with a pink ribbon. And this is actually vegan chocolate. It's from a company in Maine called the Harbor Candy Shop. And I did open it. I did have a few pieces, but let me just show you. They have mostly non-vegan, but they do have vegan varieties as well. And so I was just so thrilled because I am vegan. So there's the heart top, and then this is the candy. You can see it's a very nice variety. So I love things like this. I love heart shapes, and I just thought it was just so pretty. So I wanted to share that. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. So this item is something that I did treat myself to this for Valentine's Day. I have several of these already, but the color was something I could not pass up. So let me show you. It is from Hermes, and it is a small leather good. And I did open it previously only to just make sure that it wasn't damaged in any way, because I ordered it at least a month ago, if not more, and I just didn't want to have to return it that late in case something was wrong. So here we go, the little orange Hermes box. And if you are familiar with Hermes, you probably already know what this is. It is a Bastia in the color Vert Fizz. Isn't that just such a beautiful green color? Now it's showing up a little more sort of blue undertoned on the camera. From where I'm looking, it has more of like a yellow undertone, to be honest. But it's very, very pretty. I love Hermes colors. I love their greens and their yellows especially. And the inside of this, oh, I'm sorry, the inside is the Vert Fizz. And you can see it's a very pale green. And wait, this is, I think it's bamboo. I'm sorry, let me look at this. Yeah. Let me see. It is Vert Comics is the outer color, the green. Vert Comics, and the inside is Vert Fizz. Now, I do have a wallet in jade from Hermes, and it is a similar color to this. In fact, I should at some point do the comparison, but this is just such a pretty green, and I do like also that it was two-toned. So the inside is, you know, the other shade of green. It's looking like it's like probably like a white or an off-white, but it's actually a very pale green. It's a Vert Fizz. And when you get these from Hermes, you know, sometimes it's funny, on their website they'll have a whole bunch of them in all different colors, and other times there's like one or two and that's it. When I went to order this time, they did have a number of them. The ones that are all one color are a little bit less expensive than the ones that are two-toned like this. And if I'm remembering correctly, I think this was about, was it 250? Don't quote me on that. But it's, you know, certainly not cheap, but also not horrifically expensive. If you're looking for, you know, to dip your toe in the Hermes, you know, collections, this is a nice way to start. And these are nice to put your change in, of course, which is what they're intended for. But you could also put ear pods. I actually use one to put little perfume samples in it, and then I keep it in my purse in case I want to use a perfume. So it keeps them standing straight. It's very nice. So you could put like safety pins or paper clips, or I don't know, whatever you have to carry around, you could put in there. So that is one item. And that was really all that I was expecting to treat myself to for Valentine's Day. But then I saw something else online, and this. So I don't know what possessed me to start looking on, I guess I was looking on eBay to start looking, or no, Etsy. It was Etsy. I'm sorry. I don't know what possessed me to go on Etsy to start looking for vintage bags. I try not to do that because it's dangerous. So anyway, I'll show you what I got. This is a true unboxing. I did just open the box with scissors just because I didn't want to take that time. And you can see it's still sealed. That's very cute. The lady put a little heart there. It's very nice. See? Oh my gosh. Okay. So this was so beautifully packaged. Let's see. Okay. Oh, she has my, well, I guess it doesn't matter. She has my full name on there. And just look how beautifully packaged this is. So very nice. And this seller has so many beautiful Coach bags. I'll actually I'll put the information below of how you can, you know, check her out on Etsy, because if you're looking for a vintage Coach bag, maybe you want to check her out. I will say that, you know, the service and obviously the packaging is so nice. Okay, let me see what this says. Dear Allison, thank you again for your purchase. Please enjoy carrying your lovely Legacy Rambler for many years and in the very best of health. Sincerely, Sue. That was very lovely, very gracious and sweet of her. So, let me take this out. And here we are. Isn't that amazing? It's this beautiful vintage Coach bag. It is the Legacy Rambler. And, wow, let me just check it over because I haven't seen it. It has the back pocket. It's got a turn lock closure. The hardware is silver tone. And on her Etsy, she does say that all the bags have been cleaned and shampooed and washed, which made me very happy. This is going to be the shoulder strap. So let me just take this out. Oh wow, it's just like immaculately clean inside. I'll show you. You see that? It's just so beautifully clean. Wow, this is great. You know, I bought some vintage Coach bags, which I believe I unboxed on this channel. Probably, it may be 2 years ago now. I don't know. And I have them packed up, just waiting to shampoo them because I just feel like that's probably a good thing to do. And I'm just looking inside here. There's a zip pocket, and then there's this pocket in the front. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. Such beautiful condition. Wow. This was definitely worth it. I'm so glad I got it. I always, you know, at this point in my collection and in my life, I always feel like, do I need another bag? But you know what? Sometimes you see something that you just fall in love with and just unique and unusual. And of course, this being vintage, you know, it's not that easy to find. So here is the strap. I'm actually going to probably wear this as a crossbody, assuming that I can do that if the strap is long enough. So I'm going to put it on the last hole. Wow, it's just, oh my gosh, so amazing. I love the glove tan leather. There's really, you know, nothing can compare to that. Coach makes beautiful bags now. I think they're very much worth the price point. And I have a whole bunch of them, as you know, because I have unboxed them on this channel. But there's just nothing that can compare to the vintage Coach. Just nothing at all. And I wish I could go back in time and buy a whole bunch of them and then bring them back. I would use them all. Oh my gosh, this is so great. So let me see. It can definitely be used as a crossbody bag. I love it. I'm so excited. So there you have it. My beautiful vintage Coach bag. And the price of the bag was, oh, darn it, I always forget this. It was $400 and something dollars. I'm gonna come better prepared with prices from now on. I'm sorry. It was $400 and something dollars. You know, I think it was definitely worth it in this amazing, beautiful condition. So there we go. My beautiful Coach bag. My beautiful Hermes Bastia. Actually, it looks even pretty together. Maybe I'll use it together. That's very pretty, actually. Then I got my candy, and I showed you the Black Rock necklace, which is obviously from a while back. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I'm sorry about the absence. I will hopefully be more organized going forward. Just please excuse my pajamas that I'm wearing. I, basically just, it's the end of the day, and I just had a few minutes, and I wanted to do this because it's been so long. I've actually had these boxes and all the boxes of the other things just waiting to unbox, some of them for months, just because I wanted to do it on camera. So I had a few moments now, and I just, this has only been sitting around for like a week, but the Bastia has been sitting around for weeks. So anyway, I'm sorry I didn't dress up for the occasion. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had a nice Valentine's Day, and I will see you soon with some more goodies to look at. Bye.